We are covering PL-300 Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comments. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. To get the complete list of questions and answers, click on the playlist link provided in the description. A question is, you are creating a Microsoft Power BI data model that has the table shown in the following table. Kindly read the given one, table name and column name. Sales, product and product category. The products table is related to the product category table through the product category ID column. Each product has one product category. You need to ensure that you can analyze sales by product category. How should you configure the relationship between product category to products? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. See this one, cardinality, one to many, one to one and many to one, many to many. And cross filter direction is single or both. This is the correct answer, the ones highlighted with green color. Next one. We import a Power BI dataset that contains the following tables: date, product, product inventory. The product inventory table contains 25 million rows. A sample of data is shown in the following table. Kindly see this table. The product inventory table relates to the data table by using the date key column. The product inventory table relates to the product table by using the product key column. You need to reduce the size of the data model without losing information. What should you do? Option A, change summarization for data key and don't summarize. Option B, remove the relationship between date and product inventory. Option C, change the data type of unit cost to integer. Option D, remove movement data. The correct answer is option A. Moving to our next question. You are enhancing a Power BI model that has DAX calculation. You need to create a measure that returns to year-to-date total sales from the same date of the previous calendar. Which DAX function should you use? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. Kindly see this one. Read the content given. Now, this is the correct answer, the ones highlighted with green color. Calculate from the first table, sum from the second table, and same period last year from the third table. Next one. You are modeling data by using Microsoft Power BI. Part of data model is a large Microsoft SQL Server table named order that has more than 100 million records. During the development process, you need to import a sample of data from the order table. Solution: you add a report level filter and that filters based on the order date. Does this meet the goal? Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is option B, that is a no.